Count characters in Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Hi, this is ExtendOffice. Today we will explore methods to count words or characters, including or excluding spaces, in both Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Microsoft Word has a built-in word count feature that makes it easy to get the number of words and characters in your document. On the Review tab, select Word Count. The Word Count dialog box appears showing the number of words, characters, with and without spaces, and other details such as paragraphs and lines. If you want to use a shortcut key to open the Word Count dialog, press Ctrl and Shift and G. To find the real-time word count, which is displayed by default, look at the status bar located at the bottom of the Word window. Clicking on the count will open the Word Count dialog box. To add a real-time character count to the status bar, right-click on the status bar, and select Character Count with spaces. Now, as I edit my document, you can see that the word and character count update automatically. Google Docs also offers a straightforward way to count characters. Select Tools, Word Count. The Word Count dialog box appears showing the number of words, characters, with and without spaces, and pages. To use a shortcut key to open the dialog, press Ctrl and Shift and C. To keep track of your character count continuously, in the Word Count dialog, select the Display Word Count while typing box. Click OK. The word count will be displayed at the bottom left of the document window, updating in real time as you type. Click on the Count drop-down. You can select your desired count, such as characters, excluding spaces, to display it. And as you type, it will also update automatically. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.